Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how we can place an image or multiple images inside text in Photoshop. I am Soumyadeep and I welcome you to expertiZ. Okay, now that we are in Photoshop, the first thing we will do is take a solid color or a gradient adjustment layer in order to highlight my text. You can also choose the background to be white, but here I'll just take a gradient layer. Click on gradient to choose the color pattern. I want something dark, so I will go to the grays. And yeah, I'll take this one. You can choose whichever you like and then click on OK. Now that we have a background, let's create a text layer. Click on the type tool and type your text. Select the text layer and then press Ctrl T or Command T to transform. And then resize your text. Now you can choose any font, but please make sure that the font that you choose has a bold size so that the images that we are going to place can pop out well. Now let's move ahead and import some images. Once the images are opened, you can drag this layer and drop here, or what you can do is select all, copy it and paste over here. Let's bring the other images as well. Now that we have all the images, let's scale this to the size of the fonts. I'll hide the first three layers to get a clear view. Now select the image layer and use Ctrl T or Command T to transform. You can press Alt and scroll down to zoom out, and then decrease the sizes. And I'll do the same for all of the images. Now that we have all the images in place, we need to create clipping mask. Before that, make sure that the text layer is below the image layers. Now right click on layer 1 and you can see there is an option called create clipping mask. So click on it. Here a drop down arrow has popped up saying that the clipping mask is created. You can also see the image is placed inside the text. Now if you want, you can adjust the position of the image as well. We can do the same for the rest of the layers, but instead what I will do is, just to save time, I'll select all the layers by pressing Shift in Windows or Option in Mac, and then press Ctrl Alt G in Windows or Command Option G in Mac. And it will create a clipping mask for all of them. The best thing about clipping mask is that we can edit the text whenever we want. Just double click on the T symbol and you can edit your text. Now what we can do is, we can reveal any particular area just to make it seem that it is coming out of the text. First, I will adjust the position of the image and then make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. Next, take the quick selection tool or click on select subject. Now Photoshop will automatically detect the subject and create a selection around it. Then click on layer mask to reveal whatever we just selected and hide everything else. Now you can add effects to the text layer to make it stand out. Just copy the layer, double click on the original layer, and then you can add stroke if you want. Or even add drop shadow. Once done, click on OK. As we have already copied the text layer, it allows us to see the changes that we have made. But if we would have done without copying the text layer, then once we click on hide, everything gets hidden and we wouldn't be able to compare the changes. That's it from today's video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you in another video. Till then, have a nice time.